The instrument panel brings together all the information you need to drive. The screen display is fully customizable. You can set the design of the screen and choose widgets to suit the information that you want to see. You can also change the color of the display. When the engine starts, the ready message appears to tell you that the vehicle is ready to set off. It goes out when the speed passes about 3.1 miles per hour or 5 kilometers per hour. Each screen design contains a field that displays information and vehicle malfunction messages. Depending on the design of the instrument panel view mode, you can modify the way the widgets are displayed. Press the top of this button to display information about distance traveled, consumption, tire pressures, autonomy, the Eco Monitor, vehicle info, and media. The distance widget shows the total distance traveled and the distance traveled since the last reset. The consumption widget tells you about your average energy consumption since the last reset and your current energy consumption. To reset this information manually, press and hold the bottom of this switch. The tire pressure widget shows the current pressures on the instrument panel and warns you if they are too low. To reset the pressure of the 4 tires, with the ignition on and the vehicle stationary, press and hold the bottom of this switch. The autonomy widget helps you to visualize your remaining range according to the type of road you're about to cover. Based on your driving style over the last 70 kilometers and the level of your battery, this is your current range. This figure represents an estimated range when driving in an urban environment, and this one when driving on the motorway. Note that these figures are an indication, and that your range will therefore vary according to your speed, as well as the outside temperature, for example. The Eco Monitor tells you about your driving style. The bigger the circle in the green zone, the better you're controlling your speed and acceleration, and the better your anticipation. It shows that your driving is economical. This widget displays messages about your vehicle. Lastly, the media widget shows you which music is playing, whatever the source you're using. Use the View button on the steering wheel to select a view mode from several designs. Charge, driving aids, classic, navigation, and minimal. The charge design shows your vehicle's charge status. It only appears at the start of a charge, when the vehicle is connected to a power supply. When this indicator light is on, the vehicle is connected to a power supply. In the center, you can see the current charge level of your battery and the maximum charge level that you have set. The corresponding charge level appears here. It also shows your vehicle's range calculated on the charge already present. Each other cluster view displays a speedometer, the current gear, navigation indications, and information messages about your vehicle. Lastly, the traction battery charge level, forecast range, current multi-sense mode. The range shown is calculated on the energy that your vehicle consumed over the last 43.4 miles or 70 kilometers. The driving aids design displays active driving aids on a full-screen version. The classic design displays a power meter. The power meter indicates your vehicle's energy consumption in real time. It shows when energy is being recovered and when it's being consumed. When you're in the charge zone, the battery is recharging. The further you are in the power zone, the greater the amount of energy that your vehicle is consuming. In neutral position, energy consumption is zero. The navigation design displays the openR Link multimedia system navigation map. Note that the navigation display on the instrument panel screen is also available with Android Auto and CarPlay replication. The minimal design provides essential information only. To set the color of the ambience lighting and the openR screens, go to the Vehicle section of your multimedia system. Press the Configure button on the Multisense menu and select the Onboard Experience tab. If you select Variable Lights from the Ambient Lighting menu, the system automatically changes the color of the passenger compartment lighting and openR screens every 30 minutes to provide the most suitable ambient light color for each part of the day. Select Custom to choose one of 48 colors manually. Press this icon, then move the cursor over the color palette. Press OK to confirm your chosen color.